because honey, it's giving very much baps. It's giving very much baps. Hey YouTube, it's your girl Chili and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then welcome to my page. And if you're a returning subscriber, as always, I appreciate you. So in this video, I tried a new style, you guys. I decided that I wanted to put my hair in Bantu knots. I wanted to just try something different. I've had Bantu knots on my natural hair, but I've never had like braiding hair to make them, you know, fuller and bigger. And I honestly love this look. Like, I feel like it's so, honestly, you guys, this is probably one of the cutest protective styles that I've ever done. And it was so quick and affordable. So if you're interested in learning the details on how I achieved this look, then keep watching. So here are the materials that I used to achieve this look. I used the Outre twisted up hair in the color 2. I got 2 packs, but you'll only need 1 for this style, and it comes with an extra free bundle. If you don't want to use this hair, just make sure that you get the pre-stretched hair. And then I have an edge brush, a rat tail comb, shine and jam, really important. I have a few rubber bands. And then I have some wild growth oil for my scalp and the rubber bands, but you can use what you want. And then for my edges, I have Gorilla Snot and some ebbing edge control, but you can use whatever edge control that you prefer. So the first thing you want to do is prep your rubber bands with oil to prevent breakage. So I went ahead and took my wild growth oil and just made sure that they were coated properly. And then using freshly washed and stretched hair, you can begin the parting. I want to say parting was probably the hardest part just because I wasn't able to see in the back as well, and it did take some time. But if you're doing this, just take your time and try your best. So I went ahead and did triangles in the front. I think I had 5 parts in the front and 4 or 5 in the back. And then I began to section off each piece. So using your shine and jam, you're gonna wanna coat each section. So I went ahead and started in the front, putting a significant amount, and then I would take my rat tail comb and kind of press it in. This is also important because this kind of pulls everything together. And then I put it in a rubber band and that section was done. So again, continuing the process, putting on the shine and jam, slicking it down with my rat tail comb, doing that with all the sections, and then putting it away in a rubber band, and you can continue until you're done. So now that I have each of my Bantu knot sections put away, I am going to twist my natural hair with some moisturizer because this is a protective style. And if you're not moisturizing your hair, detangling your hair, taking care of your hair under these protective styles, it defeats the purpose. So I can tell my hair is already a little bit dry after the wash this morning. So I'm gonna go ahead and just add some of my Tropical Moringa sealing cream and go ahead and just twist my hair really quick. I'm not gonna make the twist super perfect just because it is just to kind of make these puffs a little flatter. I just wanna put them away. I'm gonna go ahead and get to twisting. So taking the first bundle, I divided it into 4 pieces, and this is gonna show you guys the different sizes depending on how you divide the hair. So I thought this was a little too small for the look that I wanted. So I went ahead and divided the bundle into 2 pieces, and I still thought this was way too big and not the right size. So finally I decided on dividing it into 3 pieces, and the size was perfect. So this is the method that I use to attach the hair. I go ahead and take my hair and the braiding hair and begin to braid. I want to say I braided it about maybe 7 or 8 times, so probably about midway to my twist. And then I wrap
the rest of my twist with the braiding hair. So as you can see here, I'm taking the braiding hair and wrapping it tightly around the rest of my natural hair to make sure that it's protected. And then I begin to twist. I want to say I twisted it maybe about 3 times, and then taking the end, I wrap it underneath so that it is secure. Again, I'll slow it down for you guys, taking the hair in 3 pieces, braiding my natural hair probably about midway to the twist, wrapping the twist to the end of my hair so everything is protected and tucked away. And then I go ahead and make the Bantu knot by wrapping it around itself probably 2 or 3 times, twisting the end as well, and then wrapping the end around the Bantu knot, making sure not to lift it up anymore. And so you're gonna go ahead and continue this process until you are done. So of course we can't forget about our edges. So I went ahead and took some Gorilla Snot and my edge brush and just added a few coils so that the style can be to what I desired. Laid them down by wrapping them, and then the style is complete.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So we are finally done with this style. I love how it looks. I don't think the Bantu knots are like completely perfect. Like not all of them are exactly symmetrical, but low key I like it like that, or low key that's as good as it's gonna get because it is 11 o'clock at night. But I went ahead and did my edges. As you can see, I attempted to add a little swoop dot, a little mix in there. She's biracial. She's biracial, yeah.
She's biracial. She's a biracial girl.
I try to add a little some, add some accessories, add some makeup, and I love this look. I feel like it's so Afrocentric, it's so retro, it's so cute. And I really like just having my hair like sleek and sectioned. I honestly feel like this can be maintained for a good week before you have to possibly redo it or change up your protective style. So if you like this video, if you like this style, make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And I can't wait to see you in my next video. Peace, love, blessings.